Hi, my name is Abby. This is my sister Rebecca. Welcome to Test Kitchen Cooking with Abby. Today we're going to test 3 types of goldfish. We have Disney limited edition. So there's Cheddar, Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse. We have whole grain cheddar baked with real cheese, and flavored Blasted Xtreme cheddar.
You guys don't like goldfish though, do you?
Yes, we do.
No, I like it.
Okay, so we'll start with this one.
So much so
If we
that
can
when
open it.
When I give you other snacks
The
and
goldfish.
in the same container, the other snacks come back, but the goldfish are always gone.
Yeah. We'll also look at some of the other snacks I don't like.
I think that's good.
Which ones are these?
These are the... Oh, that's French.
That's good.
Whole
Tastes like
grain.
normal though.
Those are the whole wheat ones.
Yeah, I don't taste the difference.
Yeah, me either.
That's good, because they'll be healthier than the regular ones. Alright, let's move on to limited edition. I don't think the limited edition tastes any different. I think they're just different fancy Disney.
I think the Minnie Mouse tastes different.
Because it's red.
Well, we've had the Mickey. I'm almost positive we've had it.
Huh? You have to get one of each flavor. Mickey Mouse, I know. To me, I think, yeah, I find the Mickey Mouse tastes.
They all taste the same.
They all taste the same? Do they taste the same as the whole wheat ones?
Yeah.
I think these have a little more salt than these. Wait.
Alright, let's move on to flavor explosion.
Yes. Abby's favorite.
Cheddar cheese.
They don't look like they look like on the cover, Daddy. Very wrong.
Oh.
They don't. They just look like regular goldfish.
You know, I have like a bit of. Those are good.
These are the best.
They taste like the pizza ones.
Alright, so do we like goldfish? Would we recommend to everybody go try goldfish?
Yes.
Yes, if you haven't already. Very good snack in your life.
We should show them the giant box of goldfish we have. We won't, but we should. Custom for Christmas. Hey, double dipping there, right? Don't be shy, just go right in there. Alright, what if people have something they want you to try? Where should they tell you about it?
In the comments below.
And at cookingwithabby.com. And make sure to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
These are a good hit. Like, I love these the best.